Parking areas are essential parts of any commercial property, from shopping centers and office buildings to restaurants and recreational facilities. In Southlake, where growth and development continue to bring in more foot traffic, it's crucial to ensure that parking lots are safe, secure, and accessible to everyone. One of the most effective ways to improve safety in these areas is through commercial outdoor lighting. Well-lit parking areas not only improve the overall aesthetics of your property but also play a vital role in enhancing security, preventing accidents, and providing peace of mind for customers and employees alike. Here's how commercial outdoor lighting enhances safety in Southlake parking areas. Improved visibility for drivers and pedestrians. The primary function of outdoor lighting in parking areas is to improve visibility. A well-lit parking lot ensures that both drivers and pedestrians can see clearly, reducing the chances of accidents, such as collisions, falls, or injuries. In poorly lit parking areas, it can be difficult for drivers to spot other vehicles, pedestrians, or obstacles, especially at night. By installing bright, strategic lighting, you ensure that parking spaces, driveways, and pedestrian pathways are well illuminated. This makes it easier for drivers to navigate the parking lot safely and for pedestrians to walk between vehicles without the risk of stumbling or being hit. Properly lit spaces also help drivers see lines or signs, guiding them to park correctly and avoid accidents. Deterrence of criminal activity. One of the most significant benefits of commercial outdoor lighting is its ability to deter crime. Parking areas, especially those that are dark and poorly lit, can become hotspots for criminal activity, such as theft, vandalism, or assault. Criminals often seek out dark, secluded spaces where they can carry out their actions without being seen or caught. Properly installed lighting not only brightens the area but also makes it more difficult for criminals to hide or engage in illegal activities unnoticed. By illuminating key areas of your parking lot, such as entrances, exits, corners, and areas between parked cars, you help reduce opportunities for crime. When criminals see that an area is well lit and monitored, they are less likely to target it, knowing they are at a higher risk of being caught. Increased customer and employee confidence. For business owners, the safety of customers and employees is a top priority. A well-lit parking lot shows that you care about their safety and are invested in providing a secure environment. Whether it's the evening hours or during the winter months when daylight is scarce, commercial outdoor lighting gives your visitors the confidence to park and walk to your building with ease. Customers are more likely to return to a business that prioritizes their safety, and employees will feel more secure when entering and exiting the building, especially during late or early hours. This increased sense of security can boost your business's reputation and promote customer loyalty, as people are more likely to frequent places where they feel safe. Enhanced wayfinding and navigation. In Southlake, as with many other cities, commercial parking areas can be large and complex, especially near shopping centers, malls, or entertainment venues. Without proper lighting, it can be difficult for visitors to navigate the parking lot and find available spots. Commercial outdoor lighting systems make it easier for drivers to identify empty parking spaces and important landmarks such as entrances, exits, and designated walking paths. By installing bright, well-positioned lighting, you help guide customers and employees to their destination, reducing confusion and frustration. Additionally, parking lots with illuminated signs and directional arrows make it clear where people should park, improving traffic flow and reducing the likelihood of accidents or congestion. Highlighting safety features. Commercial outdoor lighting can also be used to highlight essential safety features within the parking area. For example, fire exits, emergency evacuation routes, and first aid stations should all be clearly marked and well lit to ensure they are visible in the event of an emergency. When these features are illuminated, it's easier for individuals to find them quickly in case of an emergency, such as a fire or medical situation. Lighting can also be used to highlight pedestrian crossings or safety barriers, helping to keep pedestrians safe while navigating busy parking areas. By making these features more visible, you contribute to a safer, more efficient environment for everyone. Compliance with local regulation. In many areas, including Southlake, businesses must comply with local safety and zoning regulations regarding outdoor lighting. Adequate lighting in parking areas is not just a recommendation, it's often a requirement to ensure the safety and accessibility of the area for both pedestrians and vehicles. By investing in commercial outdoor lighting, you ensure that your business complies with these regulations, avoiding potential fines or penalties. Additionally, proper lighting can be a part of your property's overall safety plan, demonstrating that you are actively working to meet industry standards and local ordinances, which can help with insurance requirements and liability protection. Low maintenance, long-term cost saving. Modern commercial outdoor lighting systems are designed for durability and efficiency. LED lighting, in particular, is an energy-efficient option that requires minimal maintenance and provides long-lasting illumination. By choosing LED lights for your parking area, you reduce your energy consumption, which leads to lower electricity bills and long-term cost savings. Moreover, LED lights have a longer lifespan compared to traditional bulbs, meaning fewer replacements and less maintenance overall. This low-maintenance aspect of modern commercial lighting is a significant benefit for business owners, as it reduces the need for constant repairs or replacements, ensuring that your parking area remains well lit and safe without breaking the bank. Conclusion. Commercial outdoor lighting is an essential investment for any business in Southlake, particularly when it comes to enhancing the safety of parking areas. By improving visibility, deterring criminal activity, boosting customer confidence, and ensuring compliance with local regulations, lighting plays a crucial role in creating a safe and welcoming environment for both customers and employees. Additionally, with modern, energy-efficient lighting options available, business owners can enjoy long-term cost savings while maintaining a secure and functional parking lot. Whether you're upgrading your current system or installing a new one, the right outdoor lighting system will provide lasting benefits for your property's safety, security, and overall appeal.